Just had this MIG in and no power symptoms. I'll just plug it in. I've tested it to make sure there's no shorts, there isn't. So it ain't going to explode. But as soon as you switch it on, no lights, no power. So, do some testing, see if we can find out what it is. So, got no power. So, just going to do some tests between the live and the neutral incoming and the incoming switch. Seems to be quite a lot of resistance there. That one's good, really low ohms. And that one's good, really low ohms. So I know that this cable's alright and the fuse is alright. So I'll just check the fuse on the board. Now usually if the fuse on the board's gone, this light will still light up, but I'll just check it anyway, make sure it ain't blown. So really low ohms, that's good. And I'll just check the thermal cutout as well. So really low ohms. So I know that the cable's alright to the incoming. Thermal switch is okay and on. And the board fuse isn't blown at least. So let's test the switch. So going to test between them both. I'll put the continuity on so you can hear it. So I've got the buzzer on, off. So I'll go to the other side, the neutral side, I think, no, the live side. So, no continuity on the switch, but I'll just take it out just to make sure. I don't know if I'm getting a good contact. Okay then, so the switch is there. I'm doing all these tests with the electric off. No need to do live testing. So I'm behind them, between them, and there's definitely no continuity through that switch, so I reckon that switch is gone. I'll tell you what I could do, I could just jump it over just temporarily just to test it. I'll do that now. Okay, I've jumped it. Just going to make sure there's no short circuits. So that's 414 ohms, so no short circuit. Then there's continuity between the live and the neutral. The live and the live on the switch. So I'm just going to turn it on and see if it powers up. Just check to make sure there's no short circuit on the plug as well. Nothing. Okay, so that was it, just the plug. So I'll get some wire and gas and give it a proper test. Sorry, when I tested for a short across the plug, I should have had the switch on and off. So obviously if you turned it on and you were getting that, you don't want to be turning it on, otherwise you're going to have an explosion. Right, I'm just going to replace this switch, on-off switch that's broken. So fortunately I've got to take every bolt out again, or every screw out again. There's a lot of them. Right then, so I was going to try and pull this switch out and replace it. That fits at least. A little bit tight around there, but right then, I'll just plug it in and try it. So this one's broke, the old one. This side's alright there, should be. Okay, this side's broke. This switch is broke, sorry. That side's right, but this side ain't. So I'll just take the plug. Before I switch it on, I'll take it for, it's got 400 ohms, so there's no short circuits there. So I'll plug it in and try it. Yeah, brilliant. Okay.